I'm a 62-year-old man. I've been dealing with alcohol problems for a number of years. I finally had hit bottom and started doing some research on what I could do for recovery. Came up with seeing the NAD, found out who was doing it locally and the success rate. When I first came in, I hadn't eaten in over 3 weeks. Intestinal problems along with throwing up frequently. And I was in a really bad place emotionally and everything. They explained the full program to me, how it worked, and I got started with the infusion. The first day was pretty good. The second day, during the infusion, I was able to eat a full meal here, which I hadn't been able to do. From that point on, things started to really get better, progressively felt better body-wise, mentally. The nice thing about it is while you're being infused, you're going through therapy. The different therapists that are here, each one has their own approach, their own attitude, and it's always very, very positive. I couldn't recommend it more. It's a wonderful place to go, especially when you don't know what to expect, and then everything is just turns out wonderful. So I've had a great experience.